text, then outline it with Command-Shift-O. Then copy it, Command-C, for later. Head to Object, Path, Offset Path to grow that outline just a bit. We're going to use Pathfinder Unite to unite that result. Then hold Alt, click and drag to duplicate that, positioning it diagonally from the original. Double-click the Blend tool to pull up blend options. These settings are fine. Then select all and hit Command-Option-B to blend, then expand that with Object Expand, then bring back the Pathfinder window and unite that result. Change the color, then Command-Shift-V to paste your original text back on top. If that felt complicated, I have all these steps listed out in a public post on my Patreon, so check it out if you need help. Good luck!
For those of you who are interested in the service of making clothes with your own custom design, I have provided a description of the service link.